I aspire to be cool.
You will be. One day. Give it a few thousand years. You'll get there.
Ouch. My heart.
What do you mean? You still have room to grow. Look at yourself.
Yeah.
In many aspects. Like, you know, the boingness. Anyway, that's whatever. Okay, let's hear your preferences then.
My preferences. Jackie! Man, is it time? Did you guys expect me to use Jackie?
Yeah, I mean it's not surprising. She looks chaotic.
Look at the skin.
You got the one with the dress, right?
Yeah, I got the scarlet corsage Jackie. I mean, Executioner Jackie's also very cool, but come on, red, signature color. I'm down. I like very much. It's very good. I will say, I think the first one I also checked out was Jenny or Adriana, but they're very difficult to play. High skill level. I'm still baby.
Okay, I see your type too.
What's my type?
I see. I'm starting to see your type.
What is my type?
Your type is kind of like one of those bad looking. Like, I'm the bad guy.
Bad? Yeah.